Hi friends, this is Manish from Trading Sutra. Welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to learn about a strategy, that is volume breakout strategy. So this is a very simple strategy and very basic technical knowledge is required for this strategy, and you can apply it for intraday trading as well as swing trading. For intraday trading, I will recommend to apply this strategy on 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes time frame will be safe, and for swing trading I will recommend to apply it on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so let's start. Let's take an example, and the stock was M&M Finance. In today's trading session, I was looking at this stock M&M Finance on a 15 minutes time frame, and look at this. This was the recent resistance I have identified on this stock. So this is the very basic thing, that you have to identify a resistance or a support, right? So if you have clearly identified a resistance, a recent resistance, okay, and the stock is moving toward this resistance, and near this resistance, if you are getting volumes, right? So I have applied here a volume and a moving average for the volumes, a moving average of 20 period moving average, because I want to see more than average volume getting active on this stock. So what happened in today's session? Look at this candle. The prices had tried to go above this level but didn't sustain. So this was not taken as a breakout, right? We need closing above this resistance, this horizontal line, and that's when we can say that the breakout has happened. And the most important thing here is volumes. We need a closing above this resistance and good volume. So we got the volume, but we haven't got any closing here, right? So the volume is indicating that something gonna happen in this stock, right? In the next few minutes, that something gonna happen in this stock. And look at this, the very few next two candles had given a closing about look at this candle. The very next candle has not given a closing, but after that we had a closing above this resistance line. Okay, so we got volume, and this candle also has confirmed that this resistance is acting as a support. So here we got our another confirmation of polarity reversal. What is polarity reversal? When a resistance is acting as a support, and when a support is acting as a resistance, when there is a change in this polarity, we can say that there is a polarity reversal, right? So this has given a breakout with nice volume, and this candle is confirming that this resistance is acting as a support, right? Now let's see what happened in the very next few minutes. So we are getting nice volumes, and we are rising upwards, forming higher highs and higher lows in each candles. Okay, and in the very next few movements, what happened? We got our target area of this level, that is 194 195 region. Okay, so this is a very simple strategy. We have to identify a resistance or support, right? And we need a closing above that resistance with nice volumes. Okay, if you are applying it for intraday, just apply it on 15 minutes time frame or 30 minutes time frame, right? And if you are using it for swing trading, you have to apply this on 1 hour time frame. Okay, so do we have any example of a swing trading on 1 hour time frame? Yes, we got an example in today's session, and a healthy breakout, the same breakout. Let's have a look on that stock. So this is stock which I am talking about. On 1 hour time frame, we got a very nice breakout with a very nice closing of the candle on 1 hour chart, and with nice volume. Look at this, the same pattern, the same breakout candle, and the same kind of volumes we are getting on the 1 hour time frame. Since it is a 1 hour time frame, the higher time frame, we can expect the higher targets also. So at that time, when the stock had given a breakout, the price was 232 level, so we can expect the target of 244 245 region. Okay, so this is how we have to apply this simple strategy. Just find out the support resistance, just find out the candles closing above the resistance or below the support, and we need a good volume, more than average volume, right? So in our upcoming videos, I will be updating more examples on this strategy, and will review this stock, and we'll see how the stock has performed after this breakout. So you can backtest this strategy, apply this strategy practically, either for intraday or for swing trading or for investment purpose. It can be applied on any kind of trading. And if you like this strategy, then hit the like button and share your views on the comment section. And if you got any questions, you can reach us in the comment section, or the details available on our website and YouTube channel. So meet you in another video. with more strategies and more educational videos. Till then, bye bye.